Happy Sunday, y'all. In the kitchen. Frying fish. Sugar-free cake. This is pound cake with chocolate icing, and this is just chocolate on chocolate. Both of them sugar-free. Huh?
I like the chicken.
You like
Chicken.
He done called my chicken fish, y'all. I mean, my fish chicken. That's fish. You like it? Well, y'all gotta come finish. You gotta finish your beans. Finish your coleslaw. Yeah, these little juices is healthy. Feeling peachy. No sugar added. Only got 9 grams of sugar. 15 carbs though. That ain't bad. Vitamin C and 0 added sugar.
Let me see.
45 calories right there. See? And it's a good source of fiber, help support digestive health. Excellent source of vitamin C, made with real fruit juice and no sugar added.
I don't like sugar.
You don't like sugar?
Yours is good too, brother.
It is good. It's good too. Yeah, I like both of them. Ooh, y'all, it's golden brown, baby. Hey, my lovelies, how are y'all doing? I hope you all are doing well, amazing, in good health. Y'all, I'm back at home, and now I am decorating for Valentine's. I'm decorating on the inside of my house, and y'all saw the last video. I think the video before last, I was showing y'all. I was just taking apart these little pink fuchsia, however you call it, hot pink rose petals, and putting them in the middle of the table. This will be my table decor along with the candle. I ended up changing that candle though, so y'all stay tuned. I found a very cute heart candle while bargain shopping at a store called Dirt Cheap. So yeah, I just wanted to say hey, how y'all doing? Just wanted to check in, and I thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, leave me a comment down below, and share this video. All right. Right here, I'm just showing and sharing what I'm doing and how I am cutting the petals. And that's it. I just wanted to share some dollar finds. Well, these were $1.50. I found these at Dirt Cheap. Yeah, just some little cute little Valentine stuff that I'm gonna put on my shelves. I liked it, because it said single taken hungry. Y'all know which one I'm gonna pick. I found this is the heart candle that I was talking about earlier. I found this. This was $3 at Dollar Tree. Dirt Cheap. $3 at Dirt Cheap. Then I went to Dollar Tree and found these scarves. I believe they were, $1.25 a piece. I believe now, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think they were $1. Then this garland I found at Dirt Cheap. I don't know why I'm switch swapping, y'all. That was $4 at Dirt Cheap. And I just wanted to share with you all how the heart candle looks. I love this so much better. Y'all, I needed a few more pieces, but I couldn't go anywhere. Look what happened. Well, y'all, icicles hanging off the house. That's how cold it was. Look at our grill. Look at my table. Whew. Y'all, no work, no school, no nothing. Y'all know Mississippi, we ain't used to this stuff. We don't have the tires for it, anything. The roads are icy. everything. And I think some schools are closed. Today is January 16th. So yeah, Tuesday, January 16th. So some schools are closed already. I got Twix. I'm not even going outside. It's too cold. You see, I got my blanket around me, but I'm watching Twix, letting him use it. I'm gonna call him right back in here. It's too cold. He was confused, y'all, this morning. Very confused, very confused. Yeah, it's melting now. Y'all see that? He pooped. Come on, Twix!
Yeah, she gonna have a problem. Yeah, it's gonna be a problem for him. Yeah, you right. You so right.
Y'all, they still asleep. It's just me and Drew up. I know it's a little dark, but I'm chilling. I'm not even gonna bother them. I'm not even gonna wake them up. I'm gonna let them rest. Y'all, my children are out here. Come here. Picking up icicles. But why you get one so big? That's the biggest one I've seen. Goodness, girl. This is crazy. Java picked up one about this big. About right there. Y'all need to quit. Here, put it in the freezer. Just wanted to share that, y'all. Mississippi, we cold down here. Icicles hanging on the side of my house, y'all. Look at that. And these kids about to go to school. Y'all see that ice right there? All of that is ice. My oldest daughter, bless her heart, slipped. Just slipped. Tamara had just walked out and said, "Be careful on the steps." And she said, oh, something she said. She was asking a question. I'm right behind her now. And she just slipped. So I made Nene walk through there. We still got ice. My seats are even icy. They're froze. Have a good day at school. You look very cute and beautiful. Don't step on that. Don't you come back up this step.
I'm not gonna go up the stairs.
Oh. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing. Y'all know I love the bargain shop. I love the bargain shop. So let me show y'all what I found. If you watch my channel, y'all know I always talk about Shirley's discount store where I am. I'm sorry if you don't have one. Hold on, let me turn my daughter's TV down. Okay, y'all, I'm back. But yeah, y'all see this little towel? It has an E on it. 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. I'm gonna put it on my stove. And y'all know it's Valentines. So we can play tic-tac-toe. What I'm gonna do is XOXO. You know, try to make it look like hugs and kisses. Y'all, when I saw this was so cute. Trust him and he shall direct our path. Y'all know, if you look on my channel, this is my verse. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. And my daughter is graduating next year. Y'all see 12th grade? Hold on, let me take it out. So cute of her journey. So I gotta get all these pictures. I hope I have them all, y'all. Kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and then 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Obviously, she won't be graduating till next year, so I gotta wait to get that. But I thought this was something very cute and unique that I can work on. I have about a year, so obviously I got a year. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this. This was so cute. When I read that verse, I had to get it. But look how much it was, y'all. $3.50. It went from $6.99 to $3.50. I think they had like 3 more, so I said I gotta get at least one. Should have got the other 2 because I know she'll be graduating in there, and Jania as well. So I might go back and get the other two and just save them. Hopefully I can save them. God willing. But yeah, that's what I got, y'all. I thought this was so cute. Y'all, I also got some dishwashing liquid. They be having their stuff on sale. It's a knockoff, but it's okay. It's the knockoff to Gain. True Living, which is actually Gain, compared to Gain. Yeah, $2. $2. And y'all know Dollar General, this stuff is like what? 3 something? Almost $4 if I'm not mistaken. For this big old jug. So yes, I got that. Y'all see the cute little ribbon? I thought this was so cute. Y'all see it? The little hearts. $1, Dollar General. We had a new Dollar General open up in my area, and I had to stop by there. So they had some hugs and kisses, little hearts for $1. Love you more, $1. And I bought some chocolate hearts, some Valentine milk chocolate hearts. I used to eat these back in the day. I won't eat them now, but I'm gonna put it in my little bowl. I had some, that's why I see that little dust. I had some of those Smarties in here. That's where that came from. But yeah, I got this from, where I get this from? Walmart. It was $1.98 from Walmart. So I'm just gonna clean this up, put this in here, sit it on the table. That's it. And y'all, the last thing that I got from bargain shopping at Shirley's, these gonna be my 2 lovebirds, y'all. This is so cute. This was a part of the Christmas decor. And so at Shirley's, it was $2.59. Everything was, it was $2.59 and everything was 80% off. So I paid like 50 cents a piece, pretty much. Hold on. So yeah, I paid 52 cents plus tax. So probably about 60 cents for these. I thought they were so cute. And they had some pink ones. They were real cute. Like this color pink. But they wasn't on sale. They were $2.50. They were what, $2.59 or $3.59, $3.49, something like that. I'd rather pay 50 cents. I'm sorry. When I saw these, I said yes. So these are gonna be my lovebirds. I wish I would have gotten both of them. I like this pattern, but this is like a country pattern. But I like this, seems to be more modern. But I just got the ones that look good to me. So they different. It's okay. And what I'm gonna do, where my ribbon go? I'm gonna tie this ribbon around their necks. Just to, represent Valentine's. Just a little DIY project. But I thought that was so cute. I said, I'm gonna give me some lovebirds. Yeah, then I can use them, for anything. And this was $1 also. So this is how I decided to do it, y'all. I did XO, 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 then XOX. So I know it look like O, and X. But yeah, those are the hugs and kisses. I think that's the glue. Some of the glue got out. But they're cute though. You can actually play the game. For $1, can't beat it. y'all look at my lovebirds. I believe you can tell the male and the female. I had both of them with the pink, but I decided to flip this one and let the male have the red. And this pattern seems more masculine to me, and this more feminine. And they are just loving on each other. This is so cute. Y'all, I tried to clip it on the bottom, but the clips, it didn't work. They kept leaning, so I'd rather just hang them. Yep, and I'm gonna get me a few more. I had another idea when I did that, because this is my, the sticks that I had, that my husband called it sticks, but I still got it in the house. I don't know, I just still like it. But I connected them and put them together. So, yeah. But I'm gonna get me a few more of those and put them on a tree. These are my lovebirds. I am digging in my bag of goodies here. And what I'm doing with my lovebirds, trying to make some nests. So I already did an example. So this is, but I need to put that back in there. Oh, unlock the door. Okay, this is the idea. But I gotta go, y'all. It's Friday. See, the freeze held me. Y'all know, hold on. Y'all remember I told y'all I want to be on time and have my video stacked up? Well, the freeze did it this time. I don't know why I look blurred, but the freeze did it this time, so I couldn't go to the stores. So that's why I'm backed up. But this is my idea. I'll be back. My video gonna post on Saturday. So y'all should already know. If you're gonna watch, you're gonna watch. And I really appreciate those who do. So I'll be back. I gotta go to this basketball game again. So this time me, Drew, and the girls are going. So I'll get back with y'all whenever I come back. Hey y'all, we are back from the game and I am tired, so I will get back with y'all on tomorrow. As you can see, we finna lay it down. All right, I'll get back with y'all on tomorrow. Y'all, if y'all hear some water running, my daughter is running water in there, so please forgive me. But y'all, I stopped by the store and I got me a little pink towel. Went back to Shirley's. That little pink towel was $1.59, and I saw these cute little heart scrubs for $1.99. I guess like $1 each. So yeah, I bought that. Just wanted to share that with y'all. And right here, I'm just gonna put those scrubs in this little bucket. I had these buckets, 2 years ago? Yeah, this is the 3rd year. So I'm just going to do my little bag trick. So always keep your shopping bags, y'all. Always keep them. And, yeah, and I'm just going to kind of give it a little lift when I put my heart scrubs in there. Yeah, just like that. I'm pretty sure you guys know the trick. But I want to cover that bag a little better. So that's all I'm doing. Clean. Y'all, that little line right there. I think these here did that. Yeah, my husband and my brother said, do not put these in the microwave. So if you have these little aluminum bowls, don't put them in the microwave. I think that's what happened because I have scrubbed and scrubbed, but I can't get it out. So it looked like something was about to spark. So we don't do that anymore. Y'all, I just got regular black paint. Some paint that I've been painting around the house, and I'm gonna do a little check mark on here. It wipes off because I've redone it, and I've just been getting paper towel and wiping it off, so it does wipe off. So, I don't like my handwriting. But, I finally got a 14 that I can live with. And I'll let the X win this one. O been winning. So XOX, yeah. So, ooh, I do not like that one. Swipe it off. Now I can show y'all how easy it wipes off. I don't know if any of y'all have any of these, because I did get it bargain shopping, so. See, it's off. A little bit better. That'd be all right. My handwriting is not this. That's it. I think that's cute. Yeah, I'm about to use my good old bag trick, you know, just to fluff out the scarf. It's almost like my TV has a scarf, I guess you would say. So, yeah. See, don't that look better than flat? It looks a lot better. Yeah, I had my TV. If you knew, I had my TV on the wall, but I had it on this wall where my greenery is. Oh, y'all crooked. I had it in the middle. But since I changed this, you know, I changed everything up, got like a little lounging area, I brought my TV here. And I thought about, you know, drilling some holes and hanging on this wall, but if I decide to change again, I don't want that many holes in my wall. So that's why we found this TV stand at dirt cheap. I don't know how much it was, maybe like Might have been like $10. I know it wasn't that much. So yeah, I put it on this TV stand, and that's why I like to decorate it, because I don't want to show the neck. I don't like displaying the neck by itself. So that's what I do. So if you're in a dorm or something like that, hey, this is an easy fix. So yeah, this is what I came up with. You can see these hearts, and they are adorable. There you go. And that's it. I think I'm not gonna move it. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna touch it, y'all. That is it. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, I am done with my Valentine's decor. Everything is finished. I ain't gonna put nothing, I'm not putting anything else in my house, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed. You know, I did a little cleaning, straightening up. The house is clean, so I'm gonna show you all. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe. Let me know how you guys like how I do my little simple design. It's very minimal, but you can tell the occasion. You know what I mean? I'm not one, I don't like a lot of clutter. I don't want it to look like my house threw up Valentine's Day, you know what I'm saying, decor. So I just, you know, I have little bits and pieces here and there, and you can tell. No offense to anybody else, however you guys like to decorate. I love all decorating, you know, I love all decor. Whatever floats your boat, you know what I'm saying, whatever makes you happy. It just makes me happy that, you know, it's just, I don't like a lot of clutter. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you've enjoyed so far, because we're at the end. But now I'm about to give you guys my entire Valentine's Day decor on the inside. I've already done the outside. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I will link it down below. It's the last video before this one. So, but I thank you all so much. Thank you for all the comments, and you guys are so nice. You're sweet. You know, those who do comment, you know, I don't have very many, but those who do, I really appreciate y'all. You know, even the ones that commented in the past and really don't comment anymore. But yeah, I really appreciate every last one of y'all. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys my design. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, share it with a family, friend, cousin, uncle, whoever. And last but not least, God bless you all. See you later. When I tell y'all that watermelon lemonade candle smells so good, it smells so good, y'all. You don't even have to light it. You can smell that smell throughout your house, or at least when you walk around in the area. And I had more candy in my bowl, but yeah, I can't keep little hands off of it. Okay, y'all see that heart towel pillow? This is how it looks up close. I will have a separate video explaining how I did it. You know, somebody else might have done it. I don't know. It just came to my head. I wanted a heart right there, and I didn't want to buy any. So I just created my own with a towel. And I used this yarn from Walmart. And I believe it was like $3.96, I believe. Yeah, $3.96. So yeah, I love it, y'all. So be on the lookout for that video. Never let it go. Please stay together until you grow old. I love. Love unbreakable. Okay, this bird and yeah, that bird right there, they set eyes on each other, so they are about to fall in love. I just wanted to separate one of them, you know, but they see each other. They coming together. I know I said I was gone, but I gotta share this, y'all. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. Dinner is ready. Thank you, babe. Dinner is ready. We got some sweet pea salad and some fish. And y'all, I just want to share this cake. I've been eating on. That's why I look like that. My daddy, this sugar-free cake. I think he has pecans, coconut, sugar-free vanilla cream, and it's so good. So good. Y'all hear me? I just wanted to share it. I had to share that with y'all. But thank y'all again for watching. I'm gone now. I'm gone.